In this lecture, we need to create text dimension and all. Go to here, then go to the annotate, click here, manage a text style. You can make the new style or just select this one standard style. Click here, type AR in your keyboard, you will get it here Arial. Select this one, apply. Already it's set current. Select this one, make it set current, close it. You can see here this text and all like this. Go to here single line text, select this one, click here. I just make here text height, make it 3, then press enter. Make it 0 rotation, then press enter. Make here elevation view, press Ctrl A and Ctrl U, you will get it underlined. Click outside, select this one. You can increase the text height a little bit also, make it 3.5. Select this one, go to the move command, click here and place it like this. Select this one, copy, click here, press F8, you can switch on ortho mode, place it here and place it here. Then press escape key, double click this one, make it here side view, click outside, make it here top view, click here top view, then click outside, select this one, copy, click here, place it here, press escape key, double click this one, make it here 3D view. Now it is ready. Next we need to make it dimensions. Go to the annotate, you can select here dimension layer, then go to here linear, select this linear. We can make here this overall dimension. Before that we need to do one thing, just go to here dimension style. Here we have already this dimension 1. You can go to here manage, you can create new dimension style also. Go to here new, I just make here D1, then I go to the continue lines, make it here by layer, make it here by layer. Here also make it by layer. Other all the thing keep as it is, and this also keep as it is. We don't want to make any changes. And here this one also keep as it is. Make it here this color. This also everything just keep as it is. Then click OK. Select this one, set current and close it. Select this one, make it here D1. You can see here. Next we need to make it another dimensions. This is all the thing we need to create using dimension linear only, don't have any difference. Go to here, select here various types of dimension, you can see, select here linear, click here, you can make a dimension. Before that you can see we have center line like this. For that go to here home, select here center line layer, then go to the annotate, select here center line, click this line and click this line, automatically it is created. Press enter, repeat the same, select this one and select this one, you will get it here. Select this line, click this grip, you can adjust like this. Similar way, click here, you can place it here also. Select this one, click here, make it up to here, click here, make it up to here. Now this one is perfectly arranged. Then go to here linear dimension, click here and click here, you can place it like this. You can see when I place this one, you will get it like this error because these points are not assigned properly. Select this one, delete it. If I go to again linear, if I go to here, you can see you will get it this end point. Now I click this end point. Now I click here this end point. If I click here, it is assigned properly. But I just go to the linear, I click here, you can see now it is node. Now this one is node. Click this node and I create this dimension, you will get it like this error. So select this one, delete it. When you make this dimension, just go to here, switch off this node. If you got any other error, you can switch off that snap also. Always we will use mostly center or midpoint or end point only, we will use it in this dimension. That one only, if you want, you can switch on or just remove this node only. Next we can create these dimensions. Go to here, select here linear, click here and click here, place it like this. Select this one, go near to this group, select this dimension, go near to this group, you will get it this one. Select here continue dimension, click here, press escape key, again go to the linear, click here and click here, place it like this. Next we need to make it these dimensions. Go to here, select here linear, click this endpoint, properly you need to select this endpoint. Similar way, click this endpoint, place it here. Then press enter, repeat the same command, click here and click here, place it this dimension. Select this one, go near to this grip, continue dimension, click here and click here, press escape key. So this dimension completely we finished. Similar way you can create this, all the dimension don't have any difference. This all the thing linear dimensions, but when you create the dimensions properly, you need to place it in endpoint. Once you finish this dimension, you can finish this drawing 100%. Next you can see this revision. For this revision, you can go to the text, this normal text, select here single line text, click this location and make it here text height 2, then press enter for angle of rotation. I just make here 0 revision, then click outside, select this one, go to here home, make it here text layer, that is very important. Select this one, go to the move command, slightly adjust like this. These all the text also, you can select this text and this text also, you can make it in text layer, place it everything proper layer. Select this one, copy, then click here, place it here and place it here, place it here and place it here. Double click this one, make it here date. I just make here today date 30/10/2022. You can make here issued for approval, issued for review, or issued for construction, or issued for fabrication. Whatever you want, you can make it here, or your internal revision, which is the purpose of revision. You have to make it the description. I just make here issued for training, then click outside. I just make here drawn, who drawn, the drawn person name will approve everything. You can make it like this. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, place it here. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, adjust like this, and select this one also, go to the move command, slightly adjust here. Similar way, select this one, go to the move command, place it here. So now this one, everything placed perfectly. Next, if you want to make any changes in this, you can double click this one. You can change your drawing number. Here in this drawing, it is 001. So we don't want to make any changes. It is practice exercise 1. Sheet number also 1. Scale 1:1.5. That one only we need to make changes. Other all the thing we can keep as it is here. This one is practice exercise 1, sheet number 1. Double click here, scale, make it here 1:1.5, then click OK. Then go to the print, click here. This all the thing keep as it is. Then click OK. Go to the desktop. We created the folder for 3D practice. Double click this one. You can make here practice exercise 1. Make it here exercise 1. Make it 1. Click outside. Then save it. Close this one. If you go to the desktop, double click this one, you can see here what we printed, that drawing.